Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. I'm calling on all mascara enthusiasts to appreciate the results of this L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. My lashes have never looked so voluminous and full. As you can see, this mascara adds incredible volume, making my lashes look thick and lush while also giving them length. The smooth, clump-free formula and the plush brush coats every lash very evenly. I have achieved this look with other mascaras, but a standout difference with Lash Paradise is how feathery soft my lashes still feel after the product has fully dried and has some wear. My lashes remain soft and flexible and don't flake or smudge onto my face. If you want voluptuous volume, intense length, and feathery soft lashes without any drawbacks, the L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara is a must-have for your makeup bag. And that's my point of view.